Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by gathering precise symptoms and timing around each crash. Check Event Viewer for error codes and note timestamps right after a crash. Reboot into safe mode and try to reproduce the crash to isolate drivers and services. Observe bezel LED indicators and listen for beep codes if present. Record CPU and GPU temperatures and PSU voltages. Look for CPU above 90 degrees C or 12V rail dips. Log RAM size and slots used. For example, 8 GB in slot 1 and 8 GB in slot 2. After diagnosis, update the operating system and essential drivers immediately. Install all Windows 10 or Windows 11 updates and GPU driver package from the manufacturer. Run sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files, then run chkdsk/f on affected drives. Disable non-essential startup apps and services to reduce instability during testing. Scan for malware with a reputable antivirus and remove threats. If crashes persist, create a system restore point and consider a clean install to eliminate persistent software faults. When software checks fail, move to hardware troubleshooting methodically. Power down and reset RAM modules, then test each stick individually to identify faulty memory. Check storage connections and swap SATA cables or test the drive in another system if you have a 3.5-inch HDD or M.2 SSD. Test PSU output or swap with a known 500W or 650W unit to isolate power issues. Clean dust from fans and heat sinks and reapply about 0.5 grams of thermal paste to the CPU if temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.